Hello, my name is Ragnar Engnes. I'm a developer at Virinko, and today I'm going to show you how you can use Power BI from Microsoft to present data from WATS. And I'll be step by step showing you how you can generate a token which enables the Power BI to access your WATS account. Then we're going to use something called Swagger to explore and see what's in the REST API. And then we switch over to Power BI and we design the query which pulls out your data. And then we're going to create the graph showing the different part numbers and the yield for, let's say, the 30 last days. Okay. So we start by logging onto your WATS account using your normal credentials. And from here, you're probably familiar. But if we, after this, type the word Swagger, like this, it will generate a kind of inventory showing what you can use in the WATS REST API. And to generate this token, which allows the application, you go into the authorization part and you do like this, the get token, and we call this Power BI. And in case somebody else has used this identifier before, I set this to true. And then I just press try it out. And whoops, there you have your token. This we're going to use to enable your Power BI presentation or query, log into WATS. Okay, then I can just keep this one and we'll start a new one. And I go to the Swagger again. I just want to keep this so we have the token. And in here you will find the API calls we built in to support the WATS mobile application. I guess we will, to support you even better, we'll make a more general part of the WATS API that lets you query exactly the data you need, but that is not completed yet. So there will be more in this API. So what I'm going to use is the high volume, and it takes some parameters, let's say 30 days. Product group ID, then you can have some predefined filters, but we just say I want it all, and the level is really which sites that has sent the report. So we just try it out, and here you can see the response is the part numbers, product name, the process, the first passed yield, even the color. I guess it's for the mobile app. And then you see that here is the URL that we can just copy. And the next we do is to start Power BI. Let me see then. Okay, so this is a demo from scratch. So I will not use anything that is pre-made. And this is the blank presentation. I request to get data using the web. Okay, from the web I switch to advanced. That's because of the token I need. And the URL, I already have it here. And this can be skipped, but I need to add a header. And that header is called the authorization. And here is the trick. You have to type in basic and a space, and then I need a token. And the token, I kept it here. Just copy this. And we enter it here. Okay. So now I hit OK. It will now automatically execute the REST API call. And yes, it found 45 records. But this is just the raw data. It's really JSON that is behind here. So what we need to do first is to convert it to a table. You can just skip this screen. It will automatically find out what is the columns. But you need also to expand the columns. And this is the way you do it. And then you can select what you want here. Maybe we don't want color. We can. And here you see already the data. What we need to fix is that from here you can see that these are all strings, even if they really are numbers. So if I do like this, I can change its type to percentage. Much better. I do the same with this. This is really a whole number, like this. So now we've fixed so that the query returns the right data types. Okay, now I'm in the Power Query editor, and I just say close and apply. It will then transfer the query to the presentation, the BI desktop, where you can create your presentation. Okay, so I guess a column chart would be good here. We're gonna make it so we have the part numbers as an x-axis and the first pass yield as the y-axis. So here I can then say I want on the x-axis, I want the part number. What you do is to drag it into the graph. Yeah, that's better. And then we want the first pass yield. Wow. Well, so what you have to do here is to change the format. And we want the percent. And then you go to modeling. Point. And then you select the first pass yield and you make sure it's shown as percentage. But look, it's showing more than 100%. And that is because there is another dimension in this query, because it's also per process. So it means that this has more than one process. So what you can do here is to put a filter. If we drag this one out here and say that we just want to look at the PCBA tests. Now it looks okay. We could have also showed all, but then we need to include the process in the graph, like this. Then you will get one bar for each test operation. So from here you're gonna find much better information using PowerBI. In the guidance there are a lot of videos, so I just wanted to show you how to connect the data from WATS. Thank you.